this right here is the folding heavy-duty director chair. Open it up, push it down, boom, and it's folded in place. Sit down, and you are a director right here. You got a little table right here for some snacks, a drink. On this side, boom, you got some pockets right here. You can put your flashlight, you can put your gear. You got a zipper pocket right here, and you have another pocket over here too. Good stuff, lots of pockets. This is the director chair back here. Boom, there we go. You're a director. Director folding chair right here. This thing weighs about 9.7 pounds, and it can handle up to 396 pounds. When you're done using this, all you gotta do is close that, lift this up, and push in and fold it, and you are ready to rock and roll. That is it. The folding KingCamp's director chair right there in red and black. Looks good. I like red and black. As you can see, boom, red and black for me, red and black for this KingCamp folding director chair, just like that. Boom. Oh yeah.